Hey guys, what's up? This is Satej. Recently we have seen many mid-range smartphones coming with a punch-hole display like Motorola's One Vision, One Action and Samsung's M40. And now another OEM is about to enter in that territory of punch-hole display, and you guessed it right, it's Vivo. And the phone will be called Vivo Z1 Pro. Now what's interesting is Vivo Z1 Pro packs the most features from all the aforementioned smartphones. So to know every detail, watch the whole video, and with that being said, let's begin. The Vivo Z1 Pro will have a polycarbonate body with glossy gradient design like every other smartphone. On the display front, it will sport a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus resolution with a punch-hole display, and obviously it will use an IPS LCD technology like most of the smartphones. But what's interesting is the processor. Unlike every other OEM, Vivo has gone with the 700 series processor. The latest teaser posted on Twitter and on Flipkart confirms that the new phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 712 SoC that Qualcomm introduced back in February. Vivo really did a great job by introducing Snapdragon 712 processor, although it would be way better if it would come with Snapdragon 730 processor, but thumbs up to Vivo. Additionally, Vivo is boasting about its multi-turbo feature for better gaming. Vivo Z1 Pro gets Android Pie support with FunTouch OS skin on top. Now let's talk about cameras. On the rear side, it features a triple camera setup with 16 megapixel primary sensor. Along with that, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 2 megapixel depth sensing lens. And on the front, a 32 megapixel lens housed inside a punch hole, which they refer to as in-display camera. On the battery side of things, it packs a massive 5000 mAh battery which charges over 18 watt fast charging, so you will get 1.5 to 2 days of phone usage easily. It covers all the basic things such as 3.5mm headphone jack, Type-C port, rear mounted fingerprint scanner, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and all the basic sensors. And it's said to feature a hybrid SIM slot, which is a bit disappointing. Now coming to the best part, the pricing. It will be the cheapest punch-hole display smartphone and will range somewhere between 17,000 to 18,000 Indian rupees, and it's said to be online-centric phone and available on Flipkart. So at the lowest price tag possible, you are getting punch-hole display, Snapdragon 712 processor and a 5000 mAh battery. Ultimately a great package by Vivo. And as for the launch date, it's expected to launch this month, probably in the last week, but I'm not so sure about that. Until further leaks, stay subscribed. Guys, hope you liked the video. Do subscribe and smash that like button. See you in the next one. Peace out.